Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to class 9. Hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Student, this is our new subject physics. So today in our class we will start our first chapter, which is Introduction to Physics. So first question is, what is physics? Physics is the science of matter and energy and the interaction between them. So, in short, we can say that physics is that branch of science which offers the study of properties of matter and energy along with the interaction between them. So, in the physics, we study matter and energy are fundamental to all areas of science. Means matter and energy plays a vital role in the all areas of science. Physics is the foundational subject. Means physics is a foundation. Say, physics is the foundational subject of science. Principle of physics form the basis of understanding other science, allow us understand things from large to very small. The study of natural or material world and phenomena. Meaning of physics from the Greek for nature means physics is derived from a Greek language which means nature. Natural philosophy, so physics is the oldest science and historically all scientists were physicists. Okay. It's a very easy introduction of physics. You can easily learn it or understand. Then, the physics is divided into various branches. Each branch has acquired a title of full subject nowadays. Means each branch has a full subject. Main branches of physics are given below, which are mechanics, electricity, electromagnetism, solid state physics, atomic physics, nuclear physics, plasma physics, biophysics, astrophysics. These are all the most important branches of physics. Okay, the most branches are optics, laser. These are also the branches of sciences which are branches of physics which you learn in intermediate level. Okay. First, we discuss the branch which is mechanics. The branch of physics which deals with the motion of object with or without reference of force. Means mechanics science concerned with the motion of bodies under the action of forces, including the special case in which a body remains at rest. Of first concern in the problem motion are the forces that body exert on one another. Alternatively, mechanics may be divided according to the kinds of system studies. So, mechanics depends on the motion of object. Okay. Then electricity. The branch of physics which deals with the phenomena and effect related to electric charges. So, it is concerned with the physical phenomena involving electric charges and their effect when at rest or motion. Obviously, when we study electricity, we also learn about electric charges. So, electric charges, involvement of electric charges, we will study in the branch of physics which is known as electricity. Then electromagnetism. The electromagnetism is a compound word of electricity and magnet. Okay, so it deals with the observation, principle, laws and method relate electricity and magnetism. So in short, it is concerned with the observation and laws relating electricity to magnetism. Okay, then solid state physics. The branch of physics which deals with the structure and properties of solid material. It is concerned with the property of crystalline material only in which the constituent atoms are arranged in three-dimensional lattice means 3D. So, atomic physics, the branch of physics which deals with the structure and properties of the atom. Atomic is derived from the word atom. So, it deals with the structure and properties of atom as determined by the electron outside the nucleus. So, this is known as atomic physics. Then, what is nuclear physics? So, nuclear physics, student, from which word nuclear is derived? Yes, from nucleus. The branch of physics which deals with the structure, property and reaction of the nuclei of atom. In short, we can say that it deals with the structure, property and reaction between the nuclei of the atom. In this branch, we study the nuclear reaction, we study the general properties of nucleus, we study the mass of the nucleus, radioactivity and reaction like nuclear fission and fusion, which will you study in chapter number 19 nuclear physics in class metric, inshallah ta'ala. Then plasma physics, the branch of physics which deals with the properties of highly ionized atom forming a mixture of bare nuclei without electrons or electrons, means it concerned with the properties of highly ionized atom forming a mixture of bare nuclei electron known as ion plasma. Plasma is also a state of matter. Okay. Then biophysics, the branch of physics which deals with the application of physical method, explanation of biophysics systems and structure. In short, it deals with the application of physical method and types of explanation to biophysical system and structure. Okay. Astrophysics, last but not least, astrophysics, the branch of physics which deals with the study of the physics of astronomical bodies, means stars, moon, sun. These are the heavenly bodies which we discuss in astrophysics. So it is in simple word, astrophysics, it is concerned with the application of modern physics to the problem of astronomy. In addition of these branches, there are other branches which is low temperature physics, particle physics, optics, acoustic. Inshallah student, in our next class we move towards the contribution of Muslim scientists to physics of ancient times. Inshallah we will meet in our next class. Till Allah Hafiz and Jazakallah.